want to install how to install active e-commerce CMS script, how to install it. That's the goal of this video. So next, now, like, what's the function? Is a multi-language option, multi-currency option, 4 different payment gateway, social media login and sharing, the most advanced product posting and presentation. So these are the things that it contains. Now, firstly, I go to code list .cc, code but don't forget to use the link in the description to purchase this script, because you are using code list for testing purpose only. You are using code list for testing purpose only, not for download, please. Next, I go to my search button, I click on the search. I search for active e-commerce CMS, then enter. Here is it. Here is it. Then I click on it. I move down. I use any of this link. Let me save this. Control copy. I open a new tab. I paste it there. Then enter. From here, I click on download. After downloading, then I come to my download. Here is it. Here is it. Then I extract. I click on it. I double click it for me to open it, because I want to extract it. I click on open. Then I extract you. Okay. Finish extraction and I close this. So next, this is it. Okay. Then after that, I open this. Here is it here. But remember, I want to install it on my cPanel, and my cPanel needs zip file. This is the one I want to upload to my cPanel, and it's already in a zip file, so I don't need to extract it. I just move it to my cPanel state. Okay, let me go to my cPanel. So I've logged into my, then I go to my services. Then I scroll down. Yes. Now I go to my cPanel. Here is it. I click on it. Don't forget to please like, share and subscribe. Next, then I come down to search for my file manager. My file manager. Okay, here is it. I click on it. So I have created a subdomain, which is this. Here, after clicking on it, I will click on upload. This file here is this. I've already uploaded it. This is it, install. How I uploaded it, I click on the upload. Then I can select file. Let me say I select file. Yeah, yeah. Then this is it. Then I select. But I have already uploaded it, so I don't need to install it again, upload it again. After that, I unzip this, extract. I click on extract to that page. Yes. Then I close this. I close. You don't forget to use the link in the description to hire me to help you install the script. So after that, it has extracted. Then I open it. So these are my folders. Move up one level, so it's already there. Next, I go to my database. Yes, I come to my SQL databases. Let me name my database as this. Create database. So it has already created. I go back. I click on go back. Then next, I add user to it. Let me see. I add this as username, the password, confirm password, then I create user, then I go back again, I've created the user, the database. Next I add the user to the database. Add user to the database. I will set the name. This is the name I use for the user. The database, this is what I used. I add. So I give up privileges, then I click on make changes. It's saved, then I go back again. I've created my database. Don't forget to use the link in the description to help me so that I can install for you, to hire me to help you install the script. And also please like, share and subscribe. Next, okay, I've gotten the database, I've installed this. Let me now go to my domains. Let me go to my domains. Let me go to my domains. Okay, I go to my cPanel. I want to confirm the name of my domain, that's the subdomain I created. Domains, I click on domains. So this is it. I click on it. I click on /install. So I click on /install, then I enter. Initially when I did it, it's like, so I now click it again. Start installation process. Okay, I move down, go to next step. Purchase code. Don't forget, I said from the beginning I'm using code list for testing purposes, but if you need to hire me so I can assist you in installing the script, so because you is a test, that's why I wrote nil. Because it's for testing purposes. Then for this, for practice, next, database host, it should be local host. localhost, database name, I go to database name, yes, database name, oh this is it, then I copy, I paste it, there, database username, user, this is what I used, database password, okay, continue, I click on continue, and I scroll down, the database is successfully connected. So next, import SQL, admin name, let me say this, admin email, let me say this, admin password, at least 6 characters, let me say, then I can select my denomination as in, but let me leave it as US dollar, continue, congratulations, then I can now go to my log into admin panel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So now it has installed successfully. I have not created any sign up, so let me just go to my site that successfully installed. Okay, let me go back to my since I've already extracted it, I can delete this. Now from here I can now create, I can register, I click on register, okay, let me say full name, let me say this, email, let me say this, password, let me say confirm password, then I create an account. Now I've created an account, look at it. So from here my home page, I can go to my home page, Let me go back. Let me click on all brands. Okay, not available. So let me go to my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. So for my dashboard, I can see anyone, manage profile, anything I want to do from there. So please use link in description to hire me to help you install the script, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also, code list is for testing purposes. To download the main script, use the code canyon site to download the script. Thank you for watching.